Guys, welcome back to tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download individual music on Spotify. So you want to go ahead and search for whatever music you want, and as you can see I'm currently listening to one music here, so I'll use that as an example. So what you want to do, once you're playing the music, you want to expand it. So what you want to do, you want to tap on the name of the song and it will take you into this place here where you can see all the details of the song. And if you look underneath the name of the song, you have a few options there. You have the plus and you also have the three dots there. In between that, you have the download arrow. So you want to go ahead and tap on that to download the music. Now, you bear in mind you need Spotify Premium. And if you're on the free plan, you won't be able to download the song, right? So as you can see there, I'm on the free plan. So once I tap on the download, it immediately tells me that I need to have Spotify Premium. So that's what's going to happen if you're using the free plan. But once you're using the premium plan, once you tap on that, it will turn green and download the music for you. And that's how you do it, guys, by simply downloading an individual song on Spotify. So once you do that, guys, you'll be able to download the song and you'll be able to find it in your library. And that's all you need to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.